Welcome to the KMC Commander IoT Platform video series. Today we're going to introduce the Node Red Visual Programming Tool interface. Node Red is a drag-and-drop visual programming tool for the World Wide Web with a browser-based editor. It uses flow-based programming, which is a programming paradigm that defines applications as networks of black box processes. The black boxes, nodes or blocks, exchange data using predefined connections by passing messages. Node Red was originally developed by IBM, but it's now open source, which has generated a lot of interest from development worldwide. The Node Red add-on provides a means of expanding and integrating KMC Commander's capabilities. Some Node Red application examples include integrating KMC Commander with APIs, connecting KMC Commander data to other devices and databases, running control code for KMC Commander to command functions within HVAC controllers or other devices, among many other things. The Node Red interface is accessible through your browser. You do not need to install any additional software on your computer to use it. The KMC Commander version of Node Red includes palettes specific to KMC Commander. To start using the Node Red add-on, click the add-on's cloud-shaped icon in the left menu. Click on the Node Red icon. Now enter the login credentials, and if needed, contact KMC Controls with the default Node Red username and password. Click the Login button. The Examples tab provides examples of reusable flows related to KMC Commander. Additional examples can be found in the Menu, Import, Library section. Create new tabs by clicking the plus button to the right of the tabs. Double-click the new tab to rename it, add a description, or delete it. The Deploy button at the upper right corner of the screen deploys the nodes from the editor to the server. There are 4 options available in the drop-down menu. Full deploys everything in the workspace. Modified flows only deploys flows that contain changes to the nodes. Modified nodes only deploys nodes that have changed. Restart flows restarts the current deployed flows. Next, to facilitate programming, a library of KMC Commander-specific commands is included in the Commander palette in the left pane. The Users palette has nodes related to KMC user permissions and logins. Note that most nodes specific to KMC Commander are recognizable by their triangle icons. Also, additional palettes can be added temporarily by clicking the Menu button, selecting Manage Palette, clicking the Install tab, and searching for keywords. This only applies to the current editor session. The palette will be restored to the original state within 24 hours, and any nodes used from the temporary palette items will be disabled. To permanently add palette items, contact KMC Commander support team. To access the nodes, drag a node or block from the palette onto the sheet or window. Double-click the node to enter properties. Click the Info tab to see information and help for that node. For more information about a particular node, click the node and look at the Info tab. Node Red is just one of many add-on options that KMC Commander employs to help enrich the functionality of the system. For more information about KMC Commander, please check out all of our other videos in this series, and to learn more information about the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.